Hi, Crazy Cleric here again. I have today, there's a lovely little shield, marine grade stainless steel. Bought it on eBay. The picture was deceptive. I thought I was buying a much larger lock. Yeah, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Still, it's a nice little lock. Nice. It feels nice. It's got a good feel to it. Yeah. I only picked it once, and that was ridiculously quickly. So I think that was luck. I don't know where the key is for this either, so I don't know the bitting. But let's give it a go anyway. Let's see what we can get. Nice little small tension wrench in that, and I'm using this little from Sparrows from the Dark Shift, I think it was, kit. Nice, very nice. It's in 15 thousandths, so it's great for these little keyways. Okay, let's see what we've got. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Okay, and still, no, not like that. Yeah, that first pick was definitely lucky because I'm getting nothing at the moment. Oh, a little click out of 2. Hang on, 3, 4. Oh, was that counter rotation? No, that was just me pick slipping. Maybe tension wrench slipping. Okay, this is okay. Having a bit of let's have a look. I've got this little Euro Slim from Clom kit, which someone gave me about 9 years ago, I think it must be. It never saw the light of day until quite recently. It was in a bag, in a box, you know, put away sort of thing. I came across it recently. I've become a monoped, so I've spent a lot of time recovering, and a lot of time on my hands while I was in hospital. So lock sport basically kept me sane, to be quite honest. It, you know, gave me something to do in the dark hours when it's just you and your pain. You know, can't sleep because it hurts, and yada yada yada. There we go. Okay. Not too bad. Felt quite smooth. It's good. It's quite hard to get them to bind first of all. I had to use quite a bit of tension. It's on a strong spring. But yeah, okay, this is the shield. Picked for you. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, by the way, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up down there. Even better, subscribe down there. Okay. Live long and prosper.